11 secret YouTube features that you need to know. Hi everybody, in this video, I will tell you the best 11 secret features on YouTube. So simply open up YouTube, and then now from over here, you guys can actually pause your YouTube search and watch history. So how can you guys do that? You guys can just simply do that by simply coming over here on your profile picture, clicking on settings. After that, clicking on view and change your Google account setting. And then after that, simply clicking on the left side on data and privacy. Then after that, just simply turn off YouTube history from over here. The second thing is that you guys can actually set a reminder to take a break. You guys can do that by simply opening up YouTube on your phone, and then after that going into your YouTube account settings, and then after that you guys can just simply check the box which says remind me to take a break, and then that's going to remind you to take a break. The third feature is that you guys can simply use restricted mode on YouTube to basically prevent harmful content from appearing on your feed. Simply come over on youtube.com, click on the top right on your profile picture, click on restricted mode, and then after that simply turn it on if you want to turn it on, and now you guys are going to be able to view YouTube in a safe manner. So guys, this was the third feature. Now let's move on to the fourth feature, which is that you guys can disable YouTube's autoplay next video. So for example, let's say you want to disable autoplay in this particular video, you guys can just simply do that by simply clicking on this autoplay button, and you guys can simply make sure that this is off. The next feature is that you guys can actually save videos to be used offline even if you don't have internet. So to do that, so once you guys click on download, your video is going to be saved, and then after that you guys are going to be able to watch this video offline. So basically this is an amazing feature. Now the next feature is that you guys can also use YouTube in incognito mode. Now there are two ways you guys can do that. The first one is to basically turn off these three options, which are web and app activity, location history, and YouTube history. Or you guys can simply open up incognito window on Chrome, and then after that go into YouTube and basically browse YouTube in incognito mode. And another feature is that you guys can also see your YouTube time stats by simply opening up your YouTube application on your phone, and then after that clicking on your profile picture, and then after that just simply clicking on time stats, and you guys can basically see how much time have you been using YouTube on any particular given day. So guys, that is how you guys can basically use all of these features. The next amazing feature is that you guys can basically share any video on YouTube. So for example, click on share, and then after that you guys can basically share this video with any particular duration. So for example, let's say you want a person to watch this video from, let's say, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. You guys can type in 4 minutes and 30 seconds over here, and then now when you guys share this particular link, people are going to be able to watch that particular video from that particular point. So guys, that is how you guys can create a shareable link starting at a specific time. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.